In this video, I'm going to show you how to qualify for a YouTube TV free trial. Typically, YouTube TV offers a free trial to new users who have not previously subscribed to the service. To qualify, start by ensuring that you haven't used a YouTube TV free trial or subscription in the past with your Google account. If you have, you may need to create a new Google account to be eligible. During the sign-up process, provide accurate details and a valid payment method, as this is required to verify your account. Keep an eye out for special promotions or extended trial offers, which are sometimes available through partnerships, newsletters, or promotional codes shared online. Additionally, ensure you meet any regional eligibility requirements, as YouTube TV is only available in certain countries like the United States. Once you've signed up, confirm the trial duration in your account settings under Membership to avoid unexpected charges. If this video helped you understand how to qualify for a YouTube TV free trial, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.